So let us review whatever we have discussed. So we have discussed something like success, who is successful, where all we are successful as of now. We have discussed about the triangle. So one is knowledge, functional skills, and the third one, which is very important, which every one of us might be lacking, which are attitudinal skills. First is knowledge. Where do we get knowledge? You can get knowledge from reading books, traveling, meeting people, all this. Functional skills, as we have discussed, most of our Indians are best in functional skills, multitaskers and all. And the third one, which we have discussed, is attitudinal skills. We have discussed the definition of attitude, which is quality and direction of your thought process. These attitudinal skills are important. Many of us might be telling that I have all these skills, but I don't have luck. And we have discussed what is luck. Luck is that meeting point of your alertness of all the opportunities passing by. So those who can't perform, they end up giving a statement that I am unlucky, something like that. Then we started discussing about various attitudinal skills. What is the first attitudinal skill you are born on this earth? Communication skills.
Communication skills.
The second attitudinal skill which we have discussed is public speaking. Third is memory.
Memory.
And enthusiasm skills.
Enthusiasm.
And we have discussed example how you get tense during interview room, outside the interview room. And this is how you see queues in movie theaters. Enthusiastic people can enter in between the queue. People who are not enthusiastic will be smashed away to the end of the queue. They'll be thrown to the back. And we have also discussed about tensions and worries and how we forget things when we are in tense situation and all. And we have discussed through an example flights taking off and landing. And this is how we have classified people, majority and minority. So you can see these are the people, majority, who are called as consumers. And we read history of others, history readers, and they are at the lower end. And we can see these are the people who are minority. They are at the higher end. All these people you can see, some of you can name few people, Mukesh Ambani, Ajim Premji, Adi Godrej, Mittal, HCL owner, RBI governor. So minority, they are at the higher end. They are called as history makers and they are called as producers. And we have discussed like you have to decide yourself whether you want to become history reader or history maker, whether you want to be in the higher end, lower end, history maker or history reader, whether you want to be a producer or consumer. So many of us end up reading the stories of others. When we are reading stories of others, so today, in today's world, you cannot go back and tell people who have struggled to get a job in 90s or 2000. So if you want to get a job in 2000 or 2000, before 2000, you may have to take the printout of your resume, post it, go to post office, stick stamps and all. These days, you can send your resume through email, search on Google, search on various websites. You have endless opportunities now. And in today's world, if you really have a very big idea, even if you are staying in a remote village, people are willing to reach your place to take that idea from you. So those days have gone wherein you tell that I have a very good idea, I don't have money, that's why I'm not successful in my life. There are a lot of changes happening. And if you see the scenario before COVID and after COVID, what changes you are seeing? As a consumer, if you are using, say, International Lux soap, as a consumer, you are reaching the nearest place and you are now just asking bath soap, not International Lux. There is a shift in consumer behavior. They are not loyal towards brands. So they just want to have product. So there are a lot of changes happening and you can see there are a lot of entrepreneurial opportunities coming up in post-COVID situation. We never thought that these many people will be speaking on, we were speaking only on WhatsApp video call, something like that, wherein the connectivity is not properly connected, and we were not able to see faces and all. So now that you can see many tools in place, you are able to connect with multiple people. So now you can see people who have attended this program are from students, professionals, parents, employees, and there are students from colleges uh, and parents of school children also. So now if you have any questions, you can ask me.
I have a question.
1 minute.
Please,
I am unmuting all.
yeah.
Tell me, Santosh.
Yes, I have a question. In this competitive world, I'm trying to impart this kind of skills and apply in my day-to-day works.
Yes,
but
yes.
due to the competition from others, from my colleagues, from my
Yes.
teammates, from my superiors or seniors,
Yes,
I'm forced to overcome some of these skills. Even if I know I'm doing wrong, I'm supposed to do that. So how can I control that kind of attitude from my?
So there is one book called if you don't want to say yes, don't say. If you don't want to say no, don't say yes. And if you don't want to say no, don't say yes. There is one book exclusively. So many a times, just now I told inside you will be thinking one thing and outside you will be projecting another thing. So again, it may not be applicable many a times. Many a times you may have to overcome certain people. So as long as it is not harming many people, it is okay. In this competition world, you have to overcome certain people. So again, why it happens is sometimes if you are in the wrong place, you may be interested in one thing and you may be doing some other thing. So that may not get your interest levels to 100% and focus on that particular activity which you are doing.
Yeah, I agree with the
That
last
is
one.
that is one thing. So many times, all the time, I've been to one place called Rajkot in Gujarat. You might have heard this place, Rajkot. So you have a lot of industries there, and I've visited an industry called Jyoti Mission Tools. So they make missions for different manufacturing. Say, suppose you want to manufacture soap, they'll customize mission for you and sell. And the owner of this company, so actually he was to write the 10th class exam, and he has not appeared for 10th class exam because he was having state level cricket competition at the same time. So he missed 10th class exam and participated in state level cricket tournament, and he has won the tournament, but he missed 10th class. Later he lost interest on studies, and he quit his studies right at 10th class itself. Later his mother was scolding him, and finally he was not able to go forward in cricket because of a lot of politics inside cricket scenario. And his mother was scolding him, and all his brothers, two of his brothers were well settled with BTech and all. He has taken some loan under Prime Minister Yojana, some entrepreneur related scheme. He has opened a small mission making unit. So like that, he has increased his net worth and all. Then he started within 8 years span of time, he could make his company worth 125 crores with his hard work and the attitude which he has towards making missions. So if he could have passed, appeared for 10th class, he could have not reached this position. So what I'm trying to say is there is many a times in Indian scenario. So we don't see people taking their passion forward or getting into fields where they are interested into. Say, suppose even if you question a policeman controlling traffic in the traffic junction, suddenly if you go to him and ask him when you feel happy in your life, he may suddenly be telling you that I feel happy when I am singing in front of 1,000 people. So his happiness lies in singing, but to lead his life, he is into police job to earn his living. So here many a times there are many people where passion is converted into their profession and they are making money out of their passion. So what I'm trying to tell is you have certain advantages if you are working in the field where you are interested in. Yes,
Got it.
Santosh?
Yeah, got it. Understood.
Hello? Any questions? Okay, then it's okay. I'm sharing you my email ID. 1 minute. This is my email ID, thangalav@gmail.com. So if you have any doubt, you can mail me. I'll reply you on that mail.
Yes,
Okay.
mate. I'm
Okay.
noting it
All
down.
of you can note down tangalav@gmail.com.
Thank you, sir. Noted it.
Okay. You
Okay, sir. Thank you
let
very
me
much.
1 minute. So I was talking about passion with you. So many of us might so you have to enter into the field which you are interested in, and if you have really some very good things, if you are good in singing, sports, all of you should take this passion forward also along with your studies. So sometimes your passion may take you to greater heights than what you have studied. So that's why don't leave your passion, take your passion along with you, and try to go forward in your studies. And sometimes if you are doing a small job, sometimes if you are passionate about a particular thing, that may take you to greater positions. If you see all our movie artists and all, Rajnikant once upon a time bus conductor, converted into movie artist. Like that, you might have seen many stories. So in these days, if you are passionate about a particular thing, don't leave it at initial stage itself. So I'm not asking some passion where you have to invest crores of money and take it forward. If you don't have money, you cannot take it forward. But there are some things which you can take it forward without money also. You should take such things forward in your life. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.